What you see here is the GAS 35M AFC Professional from Bosch. If your work creates dust that requires an M-certified dust extractor, then this is the right wet and dry dust extractor for you. An L-BOXX can be clipped onto it, which makes it a practical transport and storage solution. Its powerful suction turbine with 1380 watts is effective at removing dust. This dust extractor meets dust class M in accordance with the EU standard and ensures a high level of user protection. Its AFC automatic filter cleaning system guarantees sustained suction power for continuous work progress. Experience for yourself the GAS 35M AFC Professional from Bosch, the versatile wet and dry dust extractor with automatic filter cleaning system and M certification.